everybody, I am Dona George and I am an IELTS faculty at Vihaan Overseas. In this video, I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks regarding the speaking test of IELTS. Speaking is considered as a Herculean task for most of the students and it is one of the toughest exams of IELTS. However, there are innumerable tips and tricks which can be followed to overcome this fear and struggle of speaking well. Firstly, you should answer in complete sentences. Never ever give them a one-word answer. For example, if they ask you a question like, "What is your favorite color?" Don't just say red. Instead, say, "My favorite color is red," because it symbolizes strength and courage. Second point is to speak naturally. Whatever you say should be authentic and never felt to be mucked up. Third point is to use the appropriate discourse markers and link your ideas. If you do not use connecting words and link your sentences, it will not be understood properly. Fourth point is to use complex sentences. This will display your knowledge of English, especially sentence formation and grammar. Thank you.